welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah LaDell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be me playing with this new Morphe palette. This is the 35I palette or 35I palette. I think it says 35I. It's Icy Fantasy. It's a lot of pastel colors, which really drew me to the palette. Honestly, these three shades and like this silver shade are what got me. I've basically done most of my makeup off camera. As you can see, I've done one eye minus the lashes. So I just want to quickly come on here and just do a fun look using this new Morphe palette. Also thought it would be interesting to see it on brown skin, because most of the time if you have more brown or deep skin or you're more olive, you tend to stay away from the cooler tones and you go with the warm tones, and that's just, you know, that's just what we do. But I thought it would be fun to play with color, get out of my comfort zone, play with some cool tones, and see if we can make it happen. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to do that.
A few moments later.
All right, so now that you're subscribed, also make sure that you hit the bell. That way you never miss a video from me. Make sure that you are following me on my Instagram, right here, Vanna LaDell. And yeah, let's just get straight into this look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just put down a little bit of concealer on the eye. Today I'm gonna be using this Benefit concealer. It's the Boing Concealer, Cakeless Concealer. It is in the shade number 10. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. This brush like needs to be cleaned so bad. I do recommend, I need to invest in one, not that it's expensive. I need to buy a lighter base. That way when I'm using light colors, they'll show up better, but this is all I have right now. So I do recommend if you have darker skin and you're working with very bright colors, our skin tends to wash those colors out. So it's a little bit harder for us. So I definitely recommend getting a really like white or very light base. Or you can just even use a lighter concealer. Pretty much use this brush for the whole like eye look. So this is the Morphe M518 brush. It looks like this. Excuse my nails, I'm gonna get them done soon. Don't clock me. So I'm actually gonna go into this really pretty like orange sickle looking color right here. So I'm gonna go in with this orange color and I'm gonna start on the inner part of my eye. I didn't go in like the windshield or circular motions. I kind of just tapped it on like very carefully, and I feel like that helped it be more pigmented. I did have to go in a couple of times to get the color to show up really good. All right, so next I'm gonna go into this really pretty blue shade. And again, I'm just kind of tapping very lightly, taking my time. And remember to put it also above the crease, that way it still shows up. So now I'm gonna go in with the purple shade right here. And I'm gonna put this on the outer part of the eye. And I'm kind of making like an angle. I am gonna kind of blend this one out, like go in the little circular motions, but then I'll also start pressing it on so that way the pigment will show up. There you go. Now I'm gonna dust my brush off a little bit, and I'm just gonna go very lightly on the outer edge of everything and just kind of blend it all together, but not so harsh that, you know, I'm losing the pigment. The next shade I'm gonna use is this really glittery silver glitter right here. And I just use whatever I see. So I saw this Anastasia brush that comes in her palettes. I'm just gonna use this to put this on my lid And I did experience a little bit of fallout with this, so if that's a big thing for you, I highly recommend using like a glitter glue, which I know NYX makes one and also Too Faced makes one. So, but I didn't. I'm just like kind of going with the flow. I have a little bit of fallout here, but I actually kind of like it. I was gonna do like a cut crease, like cut my crease with concealer, but I ain't got time for that. So I'm just gonna, you know, wing it. That's what I've been doing, just winging everything. So I'm just gonna take my time and just really press this onto the lid, and you can see like it, I mean, this is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so now that we have that lid shade on, I then went ahead and I hopped into the James Charles palette that he has with Morphe, and I went into this matte black shade, and I just took an angled eyeliner brush, dipped it in there a little bit, and this is basically what I'm using for my eyeliner, because I don't want it to be like too dominant. I feel like it just brings the look together. So do as you please, but this is how I'm going to do my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm doing things kind of out of order. Like, I don't know, sometimes my brain just like, I want to do different things that are out of order, and that's just how my mindset works. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. I already contoured or bronzed up because it just felt right, so I just went with it. But now I'm gonna use this MAC blush. This is the Extra Dimension blush in Cheeky Bits. It's really pretty. This is just gonna add some really pretty color. Well, we already have color, but color to the skin. I'm gonna be very generous. Be very generous with my blush today, because this look just feels like whimsical and fun. Definitely not an everyday look, but it's fun. This is my favorite highlighter. This is the Amrezy highlighter that she did with Anastasia. So I'm gonna highlight my nose. Oops. And then I am gonna do a little bit of brow bone highlight. And I think I'm gonna add some rhinestones to this, because this look just, I mean, I feel like you can have a lot of fun with this look. I think I'm gonna add this a little bit in my inner corner just to give it a nice little pop. And then add a little bit on the Cupid's bow. I'm gonna take this fan brush and I'm gonna put a little bit on the high points of my cheekbones. Now for the lips, I'm gonna keep it really simple. Today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in Diamond Milk. I feel like it just goes with this look. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm actually not gonna line my lips because I don't really want a lot of color. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells so good and feels good and just looks good. Wow. So I am gonna add some rhinestones to this. I recommend getting the ones that are already like sticky. I got these from Michael's, and I'm just gonna use these tweezers from Revlon. And I don't know where I wanna stick these. Like, I don't want it to be crazy, but I do wanna add a little bit of pop. A little something something. And I am gonna pop on some lashes, but I'm gonna do that last and then show you guys the final look. But these just make it so much easier to put on. I think I'm gonna put some up here. Let's see how that looks. If I end up not liking it and I feel like it's like too much, then I can always take it off. That's the cool thing. Easily. I actually am going to use these little glitters. I'm gonna use the stars in them, and I'm gonna put them in my inner corner. It's just gonna add such a cute little detail. I'm all about the details. I actually got these. They're called, they're non-toxic. They're called glitter shapes, and I actually got them in the craft section at Target. Like maybe 5 months ago. I've been having them for a while, and I've used them a couple times. Usually I go to craft stores like not knowing exactly what I'm going for. If I see something, I'll be like, ooh, that's cool. Like I could find a way to use that, I'll buy it. And that's what I did with these. I'm gonna use a little bit of lash glue. This is just the clear one. You definitely wanna make sure you get the clear one. Get on the actual whatever you're placing, or you can put it where you want it on your skin. Right there in the inner corner. How freaking cute, wow. I love it, I love it, I love it. Now I'm gonna put these lashes on off camera, and I'm gonna come back with my hair done and show you guys the complete look. But I do want to show you the lashes that I'm going to be using. These are from Kiss. These are my favorite lashes, very inexpensive. These are Kiss lashes, and they are in the style. Right, y'all, this is the final look. I just decided to insert some pictures in because the outro that I filmed was terrible. Yeah, but I had a lot of fun creating this look using the Morphe Icy Fantasy Palette. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found some inspiration from it. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to purchase this palette, and if you have already purchased the palette, tell me what you think about it. As always, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're also following me on Instagram at LaDell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!